Directing all mourners who attended the burial ceremony of Mama Leonaro Awino Ogutu 9 days ago at Kinda Village, Ugunja constituency, Siaya County, to avail themselves at the nearest health facility and subsequently comply with the self-quarantine guidelines. Mama Ogutu's funeral mass was presided by Father Richard Oduor, a Catholic priest who traveled to Kenya from Italy, Rome, and is one of the patients on isolation at Mbagathi Hospital after testing positive for coronavirus. And as Francis Gashuri reports, 2 Catholic priests based at Utwala Parish are among hundreds of the people who interacted with Father Oduor and are at risk of having contracted the virus.
The coronavirus pandemic could have knocked at Siaya County and parts of the larger Nyanza region through a Catholic priest who presided at a funeral mass in Ambira, Ugunja constituency. Father Richard Oduor left Rome, Italy for Nairobi through Johannesburg, South Africa, and landed at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport 12 days ago. Italy has so far registered 6,078 deaths from 63,928 coronavirus infections.
Indeed, one of the 8 people I mentioned yesterday was a priest who had traveled to Rome and had come to Kenya and is currently at Mbagathi, in isolation in Mbagathi.
On arrival, Father Oduor proceeded to Utawala Catholic Parish, where he spent the night and was hosted by colleague priests, Father Bosco Kamau and Father Anthony Mario. The following day, on a Friday, he traveled by a commuter bus to Siaya County to attend the burial of Mama Leonora Ogutu, mother to a Catholic nun based at the Lower Convent. Father Oduor was the main celebrant at Mama Ogutu's funeral mass, attended by hundreds of mourners at Kinda Village, Ugunja constituency. Siaya County Commissioner Michael Oletialal has directed anyone who attended the event to comply with government guidelines on the coronavirus pandemic.
All those people who attended that funeral, who came into contact with the father, to come out, to volunteer and come out and be tested and be guided further.
That Saturday, Father Oduor spent the night at Sega Catholic Parish, and the following day, on a Sunday, he celebrated Mass at the church and later visited the Lower Convent to condole with Sister Ruth Ogutu on her mother's demise. Nuns at the convent, as well as Christians who interacted with the priest at Sega, are among those on government's radar.
We have also done contact tracing with the people he came in contact with, and it is a continuing exercise.
Last Monday, Father Oduor traveled back to Nairobi by bus and proceeded to Utawala Catholic Parish, where he resided for 5 days. His hosts, however, say, though he was on quarantine, Father Oduor left several times to visit friends before he was taken ill on Friday and rushed to Mbagathi Hospital with a fever and vomiting symptoms. He tested positive for coronavirus and has been in isolation since then. Back in Ambira, members of Mama Ogutu's family have been on quarantine for 9 days.
If it is true, the priest came from Rome on the 11th, and he arrived in this country, and he did not care to quarantine himself for 14 days, then that is actually wrong, and the law will catch up with him.
What remains a puzzle for now is the exact number of people that the priest interacted with and how many could have contracted the virus. Francis Gashuri, Citizen TV.